Welcome back to Camera Lab. Today, we're breaking down the top 11 best outdoor wireless camera options that can seriously upgrade your home security. Whether you want crystal clear video, smart AI detection, or long-lasting battery performance, I've rounded up the most reliable Amazon picks worth your attention. These cameras are designed to keep your property safe day and night with advanced features and easy installation. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. "2K wireless security cameras." If you're looking for sharp video clarity without complicated wiring, the 2K wireless security cameras are a fantastic starting point. I love how the 2K resolution delivers crisp details, making it easier to identify faces, vehicles, and packages. The wireless setup keeps installation simple, so you won't need professional help. With strong night vision performance, these cameras maintain clear footage even in low-light conditions. Motion detection alerts notify you instantly through your smartphone, helping you stay informed in real time. The weather-resistant build ensures reliable outdoor performance in rain or heat. Battery efficiency is impressive, reducing the need for constant recharging. For homeowners who want dependable security with sharp visuals and easy setup, this option balances performance, convenience, and value beautifully. Magnetic 2K security camera. The magnetic 2K security camera stands out for its incredibly easy installation. I appreciate the magnetic mount system, which lets you position and adjust the camera in seconds without drilling holes. The 2K resolution provides detailed footage, helping you monitor important areas clearly. It features smart motion detection that sends instant notifications directly to your phone. Night vision capabilities ensure round-the-clock surveillance, while two-way audio allows you to communicate with visitors or delivery drivers. The wireless battery-powered design reduces clutter and makes placement flexible. Its weatherproof construction handles outdoor environments confidently. For renters or anyone wanting a hassle-free setup, this camera offers flexibility, sharp image quality, and reliable monitoring in a compact, user-friendly design. 360-degree outdoor security cameras. The 360-degree outdoor security cameras offer complete area coverage, and I really like how they eliminate blind spots. With full panoramic rotation, you can monitor wide spaces such as driveways and backyards using a single device. The high-resolution video captures clear footage both day and night thanks to enhanced night vision support. Motion tracking technology automatically follows movement, keeping subjects in frame. Real-time alerts help you respond quickly to unusual activity. The weather-resistant build ensures stable outdoor performance year-round. I also appreciate the remote control feature through mobile apps, allowing easy camera adjustments anytime. For homeowners who want maximum visibility and fewer cameras to manage, this 360-degree option provides comprehensive coverage and dependable security performance. UltraWide 2K security cameras. UltraWide 2K security cameras are perfect for covering large areas without sacrificing image clarity. I love the wide viewing angle that captures more space in a single frame, reducing the need for multiple cameras. 2K resolution ensures sharp, detailed recordings even when zooming in. Night vision performs reliably, maintaining clear visibility after dark. Motion alerts provide instant notifications, helping you stay updated wherever you are. The wireless installation process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Its weatherproof housing withstands outdoor conditions, ensuring long-term durability. With efficient battery performance and app-based monitoring, managing security becomes simple and convenient. For anyone seeking wide coverage with crisp visuals and dependable performance, this camera is a practical and powerful choice. AI Outdoor Security Camera. The AI Outdoor Security Camera brings smart detection technology to the next level. I'm impressed by how it can distinguish between people, vehicles, and general motion, reducing false alerts significantly. This makes monitoring more accurate and less distracting. The high-definition video delivers clear footage, supported by advanced night vision for round-the-clock security. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly through the camera, adding convenience and control. Its wireless design simplifies installation while maintaining stable connectivity. The durable, weather-resistant build ensures reliable outdoor performance in various conditions. With intelligent alerts and app integration, you can monitor activity in real time from anywhere. For smart home enthusiasts who want precision and automation, this AI-powered camera offers impressive reliability and advanced features. 4K outdoor security camera. If maximum clarity is your priority, the 4K outdoor security camera delivers exceptional video quality. I really appreciate the ultra-high definition resolution, which captures fine details like license plates and facial features clearly. The enhanced night vision ensures vivid footage even in low light. Motion detection alerts keep you informed instantly, while Smart App Control allows easy remote access. The durable, weatherproof casing protects the camera against rain and extreme temperatures. Its stable wireless connection maintains consistent streaming performance. With advanced image sensors and improved zoom capabilities, reviewing footage becomes easier and more precise. For homeowners who want top-tier video quality and dependable outdoor protection, this 4K option provides premium security performance without compromise.
Wireless 360-degree security camera. The wireless 360-degree security camera combines flexibility and full coverage in one smart device. I love how its rotating lens offers panoramic monitoring, minimizing blind spots. The wireless design simplifies installation, allowing placement almost anywhere outdoors. High-definition video ensures clear visuals, supported by strong night vision for nighttime security. Motion tracking automatically follows activity, keeping important events centered in the frame. Real-time alerts keep you updated instantly. The weather-resistant build handles outdoor conditions confidently. Battery efficiency reduces maintenance, while app controls allow easy adjustments remotely. For those who want wide coverage with convenient wireless functionality, this camera provides reliable security and smooth performance for everyday monitoring needs. Wireless battery nest camera. The wireless battery nest camera offers a clean, minimalist design paired with dependable performance. I appreciate how its battery-powered setup eliminates wiring hassles, making installation simple and flexible. The camera delivers sharp HD video quality and reliable night vision for continuous monitoring. Smart alerts notify you of important activity, helping reduce unnecessary notifications. Two-way audio allows communication directly through the device. Its weather-resistant design ensures durability outdoors. Seamless integration with smart home systems enhances convenience and control. Battery life is optimized for extended use, reducing frequent recharging. For users who want a sleek, user-friendly camera that blends into modern homes while offering strong security features, this is a dependable and practical option.
GMK Outdoor Security Camera. The GMK Outdoor Security Camera is a solid, budget-friendly choice without sacrificing essential features. I like how it offers clear, high-definition video and effective night vision for around-the-clock monitoring. Motion detection alerts keep you informed in real time, helping enhance home security. The wireless installation process is quick and straightforward. Its weatherproof construction ensures durability against outdoor elements. Two-way audio adds convenience, allowing direct communication through the camera. The rechargeable battery supports flexible placement without messy wiring. App integration makes monitoring simple and accessible from anywhere. For homeowners seeking affordability combined with reliable performance, this camera delivers practical features and dependable security coverage at an attractive value point. 5-megapixel wireless camera system. The 5-megapixel wireless camera system is ideal for those wanting enhanced clarity across multiple areas. I appreciate the 5-megapixel resolution, which provides sharper detail than standard HD cameras. This system often includes multiple cameras, making it easier to monitor larger properties. Wireless connectivity simplifies installation while maintaining stable performance. Night vision ensures continuous protection even after sunset. Motion alerts and app-based controls keep you informed in real time. The durable outdoor build withstands varying weather conditions confidently. With expanded storage options and clear playback quality, reviewing footage becomes more efficient. For comprehensive coverage and improved resolution, this system offers strong performance and reliable home security support.
ZUMIMALL security cameras. ZUMIMALL security cameras are known for their balanced performance and ease of use. I like how they offer sharp video quality combined with reliable motion detection alerts. The wireless, battery-powered design makes installation simple and flexible. Night vision maintains clear monitoring after dark, while two-way audio enhances interaction. Weather-resistant construction ensures dependable outdoor use year-round. The mobile app provides convenient remote control and live viewing. Battery efficiency reduces frequent charging needs.
For homeowners wanting straightforward setup and consistent performance, these cameras deliver solid reliability. They're practical, user-friendly, and designed to provide everyday security confidence without complicated installation processes.
That wraps up my top 11 best outdoor wireless camera picks. Whether you want 4K clarity, 360-degree coverage, AI smart detection, or simple battery-powered convenience, there's a perfect option here for your security needs. Choosing the right camera can give you peace of mind and reliable protection day and night. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and share it with friends or family who are upgrading their home security. Don't forget to check the links below for more details. And let me know in the comments which camera you'd choose. See you next time on Camera Lab.